Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Well, what is your name?
My name is Sunnata. What is your name?
My name is Nadim.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I have breakfast. And you?
I have breakfast, too.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am student.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Kalia Rajaram Institution.
Well, when you go to school?
I go to school at 9:30 am.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Which language do you like to speak?
I like to speak in English.
What is your favorite person?
My favorite person is Rabea.
How is she now?
I don't know.
Very sad. Okay, goodbye, see you later.
Nice to meet you.